Magandang hapon po.
Galing ni Pai.
Galing po. Tagalog talaga.
Alright guys, good afternoon everyone and welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to FE Lady Camaros for winning over UP Fighting Maroons in 4 sets. Congratulations, the Lady Camaros are now at 9-4. We have Coach Manolo Repudia and Paida Bacante. Coach Nose, congratulations for this victory. Are you satisfied with the outcome of this game?
Siyempre, satisfied and happy kasi na kuha namin and nanalo kami.
Okay, thank you, Coach Nose. To Haida, he had 16 of 33 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, and 4 digs. So we are now almost in the finish line of this elimination round. So what the team needs to improve, especially now that Final Four is almost there.
So I'm very happy for my teammate to begin this game and begin again for the elimination. So we do the good job with the team, and then I think next game we just do again like this game.
Okay, thank you, Paida. The floor is open for questions. Please.
Coach and Fighter, it's 5 straight wins na po na for the Lady na. So, picking up good wins. So, what can you say about heading to the Final Four na may konting momentum na dala yung team?
Siguro, nakaka-boost talaga yung ng moral yung nanalo kami against dun sa USD. So, nag-level up yung mindset nila. So yung preparation namin nagiging maganda sa training. So ayun, hopefully matapos namin yung second round ng maganda and makabawi kami dun sa NU na, sa NBA.
Fighter, same question. 5 straight wins for FU. What are your thoughts?
Yes, and sabi ni Coach, sorry. And Coach said that we need to make it Bawe to the second round, and we do also. We have, I said really, we have confidence. It's very strong. This confidence. We need to help each other and to make it each other happy and play down. We need to help the coaches and the team also. So happy talaga.
Coach, I have a question.
Please.
To Coach Nels, my question is, what are your thoughts in terms of the efforts of the players who struggled in the past games like sila Marga, sila Panangin? Ano po yung thoughts niyo sa efforts nila, especially during this game?
Effort. Kasi effort na nakikita ko kanina. Hindi naman sa game. I mean, effort after ng na-experience nila yung feeling na ganun na game. So ano yung balik nila. So nakikita naman sa training na talagang gusto nila na ipakita pa nila yung kung ano sila. So, yun.
Question lang po for Coach. Ano po yung naging mentality ng team para po magkaroon po ng late run po given na nagkaroon po ng konting problema sa session?
Siguro yung stick pa rin dun sa system talaga eh. So, yun lang naman, doon kami minsan nag-i-struggle kapag nawawala or yung iba naliligaw. So, kailangan talagang hatakin lahat papunta dun sa loob ng sistema, dun sa bilog natin.
Another question po. Ano po yung masasabi niyo mas pataas po na hopes with playoffs for the Final Four?
Siguro mag-prepare pa, and number 1 pala, kailangan maging healthy lahat ng players. So kailangan para ma-prepare namin ng maayos kung sino makakatapat namin sa Final Four. Pero aside Final Four, tapusin muna namin yung second round na sa NBA sana.
Coach, how are you liking lang yung progress ni Faida over the past few games, especially ngayon parang talagang nagbuhat na siya for the team in terms of scoring?
Siguro nakaka-proud si Faida kasi first round nag-i-struggle siya, talagang hirap siyang di pa siya, kumbaga hindi pa siya comfortable sa UAAP, pero nung nakatikim na siya, nakaramdam na siya, and nakausap niya yung mga teammates na yun, naniwala siya mismo sa sarili niya, naniwala siya na kaya niya pala. So, ayun, ginagawa lang namin consistent na maging ganun yung performance ni Faida, or higitan niya pa yung every last game niya. Ayan.
For Faida, would you say that you're fully accustomed na with the UAAP and with your teammates, given your recent performances?
Yung adjusted na. Are you fully adjusted?
Yes, siyempre po.
Like.
Yes, to the second round, I'm very determination to make it that way, because the first round I did not play like I'm playing to another competition like the league, Shakey's, and then to the second round I said I need to make it that way. Always I'm just talking with coach, said to coach, I need to make it that way. Give me all the chance, I need to do well.
Coach, and I guess after 5 wins, for you, parang putting up the girls, gusto ko yung confidence nila and mentality nyo in the last elimination game, knowing na every yun, hindi nyo man natalo this season.
Ayun, siguro sa confidence, wala akong masabi kasi ang ganda ng training, maganda yung mood, maganda talagang gusto nila. Kung nasa na sila ngayon, kung nasa na kami ngayon, talagang gusto nila. Kaya
for Coach and Faida, so there's still NU, but both of you will enter the Final Four for the first time as head coach in the UAAP. So how will you manage the pressure na lang siguro of playing in the Final Four?
Siyempre po, the first I'm not to make it the first like question for the like opponent. I need to be like relax myself and trust myself. I need to believe in me, so I know I can do it.
ulit, nawala ako. Siguro pressure nandyan naman talaga, pero mas kailangan talaga namin mag-stick na kung ano yung bilog namin, kung ano yung meron kami na pinagsamahan namin, kung ano yung pinaghirapan namin. Parang mas kailangan dun ako mag-focus kasi mas kontrolado namin yung bagay na yun kaysa dun sa pressure. Even, hindi lang naman ako siguro, lahat naman.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.